Yeah man, YouTube. And me again, your girl Debbie from Dung Yaad. And guess what? You line up one little party in the evening. Yeah. I don't know if you know them something. Yeah. Tin mackerel and rice, Jamaican style in a Wednesday evening yeah, for dinner. Yeah man. All I know where they up a yard there. Me Dung Yaad, you remember them food yeah? It is as alive and as bright as day down here. We don't left you out. Follow me no man? Yes sir. Alright. Yo, we are going to run the tin mackerel party now. Watch me now. We now go fry and make no whole heap of nice. Right? I have some tomato here so. I'm going to cut up right in my pot. I have some onion rings. I have here so. I go put in some in my frying pan. See? Lots of onion in the tin mackerel. You don't know the tin mackerel and the onion. You don't know it go. I have some sweet pepper. When I'm not going to put no whole heap for 2 tantas. You know, to make it 2. The sweet pepper take away. So that I do this. I have 1 peg of garlic. I don't want to make no mistake with the head and the peg like what I did in my first video. You know. So I have 1 big peg of garlic. I just go grate it on. Just like that. Alright. We are going to pour some, probably about 3 teaspoons. That's about 2 teaspoons of oil. Because I don't love the measurement, you know. Right? And we are going to notch up with flame. And we are put it on. Make it go and fix up. We call it fix up, you know. We are going to fix up tin mackerel and rice. See it? So when I'm a pot stir. So when I'm a skillet stir. I fix up my vegetable. I fry up my vegetable for my tin mackerel and rice. So that's go on. In the meantime, we're going to watch it, you know. To go and simmer down this so. Let me rinse off, me get a little rinse over here so my hand. So I did roll up the onion. And you don't know so the onion is kind of strong, you know. Strong little brother. So let me rinse him off. Because here what happened. We are going to want a little beverage. Little beverage. When we're done. So right in for me. Juice jug here. May have some brown sugar. Yeah? It's about 3/4 cup. Yeah man, don't know them here? Kool-Aid. Tin mackerel and Kool-Aid. Yup. So I have 1 this hour. 1 pineapple. I have 1 lemonade. And I said that over there, so I go on with it, I go on with it, you know. 2. And I have 1 orange. Yup. Right away. Little beverage. And in the meantime, in between time, you know, we have some nice little girls. Nice little. Them are young lady, you know. But in a family book, go pick them. Big up on yourself, little Pitney. Amanda, Gina, Colbian, and Cheyenne. Diamond dear, big up yourself. Alright. You don't want tin mackerel? Just tell me if you don't want tin mackerel around here. Yes, so we are going to pour in some water. You see the color where give me? Mama? Papa Jesus. If them got there when we mix it, they would have think of carrot juice. Yes, mama. And we are going to notch it up a bit. You know me good for the notching up, you know. Yeah, man. We are going to notch him up with some ginger where we just grate. Touch him up a little more, man. Yeah. And we are going to stir. Because you know me are the stirring, you know. We are going to stir. We are going to stir. Lemonade, pineapple, and orange Kool-Aid. Yep. Yes, sir. So we stay. Take this out of the way. Make we see what go on around yonder here. Make we see what go on. Make we see what go on. Yes, sir. Nice round here, so. I stir up where you're going. Right in there you need to stay. So, I don't know if you remember one time when people are chat about, I eat 10 mackerel I'm gonna eat this, I'm gonna do this, then can't start chat, then can't go on there chat, because guess what? We reach the stage where we can't buy it now. That I go on now here now, we can't buy it. But here what? Some of them say them not eat it, you know. You know why they say them not eat it? Because them don't know how to fix it up. So, show me and show them how we do it. You understand? See it there? So you do it. You make your little season or vegetable, whatever you want to call them. Make it take time. Come down. Come down. Bring it down. Right, give me a little more time there. Alright. Yup. Right over here. We left the rice feasting. And it look like it does because we see the yellow light come on. So if you ever like say yellow light supposed to stop, you know. That meaning top cook. So me going right in. Go see what I want. So me I go lift up my little steamer. Don't play. Yes, and shredding. I go give her a fluff. Nice little fluff. I go give her a fluff. See there? You don't know say me did do that. You don't never know say me did do that all along. Me just get little vegetable steam on the top. In the meantime, in between time. See me there? Nice little vegetable. Little carrot and little cabbage. Yeah? So we didn't go on with the cloud that on the top there, so because since this is a pot and that the pot I them are family, you know. So me use them together. So we're going in now. Like we watch with heat, you know. Watch with heat. Watch with heat. Yes, sir. Yeah, go stir him up here now. Look like he's soon ready, you know. Here what happened? Here what happened? Make we go over here, so cover up rice and we can plug him out. Because we have things to do over here. I have one tin of jack mackerel when we did cut her head that time over this. So I'm going to turn him out in this. You give him trouble. Take your time. Take your little time. Nobody worry yourself because every bit of it go straight out in that skillet here. See it there? So then come out chunky and nice. Nice little picnic there. See them there? See them there? Chunks. And you don't mash them up too much, you know. You just kind of get a 4 with this a serve, you know. 4 with a serve. And you just take a little time. You know my thing already. From the bottom up and over. Look at this. I have some apple cider vinegar over here, so. When me I go notch up 1 cork full in it. You don't know so many 9 teaspoons and sit 1 cork full. And we have to put a little chops more apple cider vinegar. Yup. See it there? I didn't know that. See him there? See him there? I feel me tin mackerel this. And we don't want with vegetable them getting too saggy. So we just going to turn it down a little bit and cover. Make this the apple cider just get for, you know, just get for go through the something. Alright, right back over here. Yeah? That out of the way, that done with. Let me ask you something. You subscribe to the channel yet? And you know what happened? Let me take this time out to big up my little subscriber then. May I grow one by one, you know. Big up on yourself. Boom. Yeah? One by one. And listen to me. Anything you don't want me to look about for, once a Jamaican dish, feel free to just write it in the comments below. You understand? Remember, you know, subscribe to the channel. Thumbs up the video them. Share them with a friend them. Tell a friend and make a friend say something to somebody else. Okay now. With that, we were going to flip. This can't turn off in a guy that done in already. We're ready in after we did not done. So here what happened now. We are going to flip our rice to see what is happening over here. Right over here. We're going to flip our rice. See there? Don't worry on our head. May I come over here so we did. See me here? We are going to flip it. You see the butter? Nice, steamy, buttery, 7-time rice. Nice, steamy, buttery, 7-time white rice. And if you want to know more about this, and no basmati, man, this is a regular rice, get one from the basmati, man. I feel regular rice, this, see it there? So if you want to hear more about this 7-time rice, just ask and we'll leave it in the comments below. Now, we're going to plate. Because you know, so as usual, we have a plate up for food. Yeah. The things I want, the steamed fish and same thing we plate. No, darling. We have manners for everything. Yup. So now, we are going to fix with like a bowl. But when you want your rice to come out nice and so, you damp your bowl. Yeah. Nice little tricks and trades. Me I teach you no little line. You damp your bowl with a little water. See it there? So butter. Nice hot steamy buttery 7-time rice. You understand? Right? So butter. Yup. So butter. And you're going to press down. You're going to press down. Down. 1 serving of rice. Yes. You press down. Just like that. And you just do like this. 1 serving of 7-time white rice. Okay. Right over here. Here we go. We take up some of our tin mackerel. Yeah? And we put it alongside the plate here, so. Things that tin mackerel can plate up. How want to chat about? See it there? And you make sure so you get piece of your bell pepper or your sweet pepper. See it there? Yes? And you come right back over here. Let me take them a something out of the way. Because I want to know see what I go on first up. I want to know see what I go on around my corner here, so. All that uno we are talk about say. Uno no eat tin mackerel. Show me and show uno how me run tin mackerel pot around here. Yep. You get a nice little fork. Yeah. And you come and you take up some of your vegetable. Yeah. Vegetable. Vegetable. We uncleaning our food sitting in our one tuna, so man, stop it now. Our thing this, you know. Make sure everything is intact. A tin mackerel dish that, you know. You understand? And a fish that is tin mackerel where everybody. I'm not eating mackerel. I'm not eating mackerel. Yeah. We're not done. Right? So, we're coming straight along to the finished product. Yeah, man. So we have one scotchy. Because you have some people them afraid of scotchy. So we have put piece right here, so. And sometimes you have some people them love the pepper differently. So you shake up your pickled pepper and you put a little bit. Not a lot, you know. Because you know some mackerel after having pepper. Yeah. So me I know. So not here now. This is you now. From me now to you. All uno who are chat about uno that eating mackerel. And all them salt or something there. See me here? See it there? 7-time white rice. Let me get my fork to go a bit. 7-time white rice. Hot and steaming. Yup. Whoops. Hot and steaming. 7 times white rice. Yeah? With a lot of butter and tin mackerel. You hear me say? Trending on West Indian Delights or in West Indian Delights. Rice and mackerel, or mackerel and rice. Trending in the West Indian Delights. Mackerel and rice. Yeah, see it there? Tin mackerel and rice. So, let me move, let me clear the air. You know if we look at presentation already. Tin mackerel and rice. Yeah, 7-time white rice. One heap of butter, see the little butter. And some little vegetable, crunchy, nice vegetable. done to the side, and we have we Kool-Aid with we little ginger juice in it for notch it up. Listen to me. Run to the subscription. Thumbs up this video. Give me some likes. Share it. And remember, it from my delights to your delights, which is my delight, is West Indian delights, to your delight, from Fimilico kitchen to your kitchen. This is Fui special Dung Yaad. We no forgot it. Try it now, man. Try it now. Listen to me. This is for me Ozzy. I dish me, I go dish for me now, you know. So yeah, hear me? And I sign out, you know, because I Debbie from Dung Yaad, tin mackerel and rice and Kool-Aid. Boom!